Hello everyone and welcome to Sample Sure Questions. This time I have 5 questions on two-dimensional mensuration figures. Question number 86 to 90. The length of a rectangle which is 25 centimeter is equal to the length of a square which is also 25 centimeter. And the area of rectangle is 125 centimeter less. Let breadth be B. Area of rectangle is 25B, which is 125 centimeter less than the area of the square. Area of a square is 25 into 25. That is 625 square centimeter. So area of rectangle is 25B, that is 625 minus 125, that is equals to 500 centimeter square. Therefore, breadth of the rectangle is 500 centimeter square by 25 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Answer. Number 87. The radii of two circles are in the ratio 4:5. That means if we have circle 1, let its radius be 4x. And for circle 2, radius is 5x. The area of the first field, two circles means field, circular field. The field means circle. So area of the first circle would be pi 4x square. That is 16 pi x square. And area of second field is pi 5x square. That is 25 pi x square. Area of the first field is how much percent less? पहले तो difference निकालना होगा. Difference between C2 and C1 is 25 pi x square minus 16 pi x square. That is 9 pi x square. So area of the first field is how much percent less than area of the second one? What is after then? After then is area of the second one. That means percentage would be difference divided by area of the second field or second square. Divided by area of the second field or second circle. Why? Because then के बाद क्या variable है? Then के बाद variable है area of the second one. That means while comparing in the denominator, we should have area of the second one into 100. Pi x square, 4. 36%. Number 88. Poles are to be fixed along the boundary of a rectangular field in such a way that distance between any two adjacent poles is 1.5 meter. The perimeter of the field is 84 meter. Twice into length plus breadth is 84. Length plus breadth is 42. And length and breadth are in the ratio of 4:3. That means 4x plus 3x is 42. 7x 42, then x is 6. So length is 4 into 6, 24 meter, and breadth is 3 into 6, that is 18 meter. So this is 18 and this is 24. How many poles will be required? If one pole is at this place, can I divide 18 by 1.5? 18 by 1.5 is 18 into 10 by 15, 3, 2, 6, 12 poles. Similarly, 12 poles on this end. Again, 24 divided by 1.5. 24 into 2/3 is 16. That means on length we can have 16 poles. So total number of poles, (18) on the length 18, we have 12. 12 plus 12 plus 16 plus 16, 24 plus 32 equals 56. But here we can see we have counted it twice. This we have counted twice. This we have counted twice. And this we have counted twice. Isn't it? Here we can have 12 poles. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And again we can here have 16 poles, including these two. These 4 poles are counted twice. So minus 4, 52 poles. Number 89, simple question. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 50 meters, 78 meters, and 112 meters. 50 plus 78 plus 112 is the perimeter, and that is equals to 240 meters. So first of all, we'll calculate semi-perimeter. 240 by 2. It is 120 meters. Now, area of a scalene triangle can be calculated using Heron formula, and that is root over S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now, if I suppose this as A, this is B, and this is C. So, 120 minus 50 is 70. 120 minus 78, 42. 120 minus 112 is 8. So area of triangle is root over 120 into 70 into 42 into 8. After calculation, this would be 1680 square meters. Area of the triangle. Now, find the perpendicular from the opposite angle on the side 112. And we also know that area of the triangle is half into perpendicular into base, which is half into perpendicular, and the base now is 112 equals 1680. Length of the perpendicular is 1680 into 2 by 112. If we solve this, we'll get 30 meters. Answer. Question number 90. A iron rod or iron wire, whatever, is in the form of a square enclosing an area of 22 centimeter square. We have this iron wire. So let the side of the square is x. Then x square is 22 centimeter square. X is root over 22. That means perimeter of the square is, or length of wire, would be the perimeter of the square, that is 4 into root 22 centimeters. Okay. If the same iron rod or wire is bent into a circle, if this length of wire is bent into a circle of radius r maybe, then 2 pi r would be equals to 4 root 22. So if we solve a bit, r equals 2 root 22 by pi centimeter. Then find the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. So this will be pi times r square. 4 into 22 by pi square. On solving, we'll get 4 into 22. Pi is 22 by 7. 7 by 22. That is 28 centimeter square. Area of the circle which can be formed is 28 centimeter square, which if we can see is more than the area of the square. So now a different question can be designed on this, that if the same wire is used to form a circle, by what percentage you will have area increased or decreased with compared to the area of the square. Isn't it? That question can also be developed. So what would be the difference? 28 minus 22, that is increase in area by 6 centimeter square over the area of the square. So that would become 27.27% increase in the area. Question number 1 to 85 divided among 5 to 6 videos is already there at the channel, and links are given in the description and in the pinned comment. Please go through that before going through these 5 questions. I hope these will be help to you. Please subscribe to the channel. Now you have the number, Telegram number and email ID displayed on your screen. Feel free to contact us for any doubt or suggestion. I'm Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats. I'll see you soon.